If you have been anywhere near a cinema hall recently, or like just on the road anywhere in India, you know that the pre-Diwali movie event in the country is Koratala Siva's Devara Part 1, right? I watched it and survived to tell the tale of one of the more chaotic theatrical experiences I have had in a while. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, jahan movie reviews, interviews, etc. are ongoing with more incoming toward you. Today, let's talk about Devara Part 1 starring NTR Jr. and Saif Ali Khan in the lead roles. Janhvi Kapoor is in the film. Would I call her the lead? I don't know. Was Alia Bhatt the lead in RRR? Was Shah Rukh Khan the lead in Hey Baby? Taking you back to the 80s and 90s, Devara Part 1 is set around the literal and figurative turbulent waters of a small coastal town on the Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu side of the country. Now, this is a lawless world where most current residents are modern-day pirates / smugglers / traffickers. For local rich men, these guys use their natural swimming and stealth abilities to climb aboard cargo ships and disembark with materials they are told to take with them in the cover of the night and stormy tides. Now, we are seeing this story told to a cop in flashback who has traveled to this region called the Red Sea to bust this smuggling racket. But obviously, before law enforcement can get to where they are supposed to go, a local Prakash Raj has to explain what's going on. It's just how it works. Gradually on this coastal town, two rival gangs begin to form. One that wants to continue this life of crime and get even further enmeshed in it, while on the other side is a single man who has had a change of heart and wants to mend his ways. One side is led by Saif Ali Khan, really relishing his bad guy era, and the other obviously is Junior NTR. And in the second half of the film, the other side is two Junior NTRs. NTR the third, if you will. Whatever grayness or moral conflict there could have been to make this anti-hero turn hero versus villain conflict interesting vanishes very quickly in this film, making room for 5 more slow motion NTR shots. Now, he's not a superhero, but damn you if he can't push 2 shipping containers and 6 men off a cliff without a frown on his face once he decides that no more innocents will die on his watch. It doesn't matter that Devara doesn't hesitate before slashing men he worked with up until 5 minutes ago, because they still wanted the riches he himself had promised them just that morning. How dare they not have the exact same epiphany as him on that ship? They deserve to be slaughtered. Saif as Bhera is probably one of the most unidimensional bad guys I have seen in Indian cinema lately, and I'm counting Saif as Ravan in Adipurush, which to be fair was an entirely ridiculous but a fun performance to watch. Bhera, acting as little more than Devara's foil, has only one color, the Kubrick stare with increasingly stylish looking curly hair and Kubrick stare with a sunburn that refuses to quit. There's a wasted opportunity here. If only the film had leaned properly into the conflict between these two titans rather than reducing their rivalry to a series of disjointed confrontations at best. Now, the film's trailer showed that Junior NTR's son is played by Junior NTR himself. Saif Ali Khan's son, Bhera's son, is a whole different actor who gets the grossest, sleaziest introduction scene. Prakash Raj's vocals tell you that Bhera's son also grew up to be a man, as Koratala Siva's visuals show you a bro swaggering out of a tent in the bushes, clearly post-coitus, as a sexy, voluptuous lass follows him out. His friends are like, "Acha, she's your girlfriend now, huh? And he's like, "Lol, you think, bro? I want Thangam." Cut to Thangam, who is Janhvi Kapoor, who just happens to be taking a bath. The crowd goes wild. If you find a single scene in this film where its women aren't crying over the men in their lives or talking about the men in their lives they will be lucky to sleep with, I will change my name to Thangam Tyagi. In fact, there is a scene in here where a group of women is asked to leave before a particularly violent traditional battle is about to take place, signaling to the women watching that this part of the film is not for you. This is the sort of exclusionary storytelling that tells its female audience in no uncertain terms that their participation in this world is limited. NTR's character is given the full arc from smuggler to vigilante to full-fledged hero. Where is the female counterpart? It's certainly not Janhvi Kapoor as Thangam. And listen, no one, not one human person is expecting any feminist angles to magically emerge from the depths of the shark-infested waters around this town. I know, Admittedly, I also didn't expect Junior NTR to emerge riding a shark from these shark-infested waters around this town. And I suppose this is a film which at one point was simply titled NTR 30, as is custom, so what is one to expect? Devara, at least this part 1, exists only as fan service. The impressive and elaborate action sequences, the empty bloodlust, the gratuitous pointless violence, it's designed to titillate a very specific kind of man who fancies himself a bit of an Indian movie star. He wishes for impunity as IRL, he's just not allowed to display his flair for the dramatics very often. In the auditorium I was in, a group of young men yelled and hooted at the screen for the entirety of the film's 3 hours duration. मेरे auditorium में interval भी नहीं था, but this little fan militia did not give up. The first shot when Junior NTR appears, he flies out of the sea straight at the camera because the camera knows that this is a thing of beauty. Simultaneously, the man sitting 2 seats down from me in the theatre flew out of his chair, his whole body convulsing like he'd been touched by God. Also similar reaction, see above, Janhvi Kapoor takes a bath. The second half of this film shifts into even higher gear of cacophony as Bhaira turns even more murderous, raising an army of men who can hold their breath underwater to find and kill Devara, who, like a desi Maui, now just lives at sea. With every slash, every kill, the audience I was with roared louder, cheering, happy, awakened. Devara slaughters around 100 men in a sea of blood, and the audience cannot get enough. The sea, quite literally, turns red, and the satisfaction Devara feels while killing is almost transmitted to the audience sitting in the theatre, every act of violence adding fuel to their collective fire. The fight sequences are so elaborate, they feel designed exclusively for fan service. Sequences, especially in the first half, are stitched together to quickly satiate the viewer's rabid need for machismo. One moment we are watching kids fight, then we cut to a song, then suddenly we're in the middle of a battle. It's like the film is trying to keep up with the ADHD generation, cut, but make it epic. In parts, Devara Part 1 is visually stunning. The shots you see in the trailer of Devara rising from the ocean like some mythic warrior god, fire all around him, gives this film a layer of mystique. Yet at times the visuals are so try-hard and elaborate, they border on the ridiculous. Every frame screams extra. While that can be exciting, but by God, it can also be overwhelming. Devara Part 1 is not for everyone. It's violent, it's over the top, and at times it's completely nonsensical. But if you're part of the die-hard fan base, none of that matters. This is your Desi Deadpool and Wolverine. For the rest of us, it's a spectacle to behold, where storytelling bends to the will of the audience, and the audience is all too happy to scream, Jai NTR, right back. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Devara Part 1 is one shot of NTR Ramarao Jr. running through a jungle should be a must in all his films. The visual is exquisite, it's impactful. और ये scene देखकर जो primal instinct आ जाती है ना उनके fans में, it makes sense. Also this week, P.S. Vinod Raj's Tamil film Kottakali has arrived on Prime Video, starring an amazing Annabelle and Suri. I reviewed the film at the Berlin Film Festival earlier this year. उसका लिंक यहाँ पर ऊपर मैं डाल रही हूँ, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डाल देती हूँ. Kottakali, जाओ देखो Prime Video पर, excellent movie. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.